Morning students, welcome to your English literature classroom. Today we will read new spellings from page number 27 and 28 of your WPS book. At first, look at the page number 27. The first word is heroes. Here you can find out two syllables, okay? Heroes, he and rose, heroes. He, one syllable, rose, R-O-E-S, rose, another syllable, heroes. Heroes means who has courage and who can save the common people from danger. That kind of person is called heroes. Mangoes, M-A in man, G-O-E-S, goes. And two different syllables and this together makes mangoes. Okay. Cargoes, C-A-R, car, G-O-E-S, goes. Car, goes. These two syllables by joining together we can make a new word cargoes and it means goods. Okay, cargoes means goods which we deliver through ships or aircraft, that is called cargoes. Fireman, F-I-R-E, fire, M-A-N, man. Okay, two different syllables. Fireman means the person who can fight with fire, who helps us to put out fire. Okay, that is called fireman. Children, children. Okay, C-H-I-L, chill, D-R-E-N, drain, children. Two different syllables. You all know the meaning of children. Teeth, T-E-E-T-H. T-H is pronounced as th. Here, teeth means you know that the plural form of tooth which we use to chew something, that is called teeth. Crows, crows are the birds. C-R-O-W-S, crow is a kind of bird. Swallows, S-W-A, lows. L-L-O-W-S, lows, swallows. Okay, two different syllables. Here W is not clearly pronounced. Okay, O-W-S, O's. Swallows, swallows means to devour something. Okay, gulping, that is called swallows. Sparrows, S-P-A, spare, and rose, R-R-O-W-S, rose. Here also W is not clearly pronounced. Rose, sparrows, sparrows is it's also a kind of bird. Babies, bees, two different syllables. B-A, bees, B-I-E-S, bees. Babies, that means plural form of baby is called babies. You know babies, baby means. Injuries, injuries, three syllables. I-N, J-U-Ju, ris, R-I-E-S, ris. Okay, injuries, injuries means wounds. Okay, when we get hurt somewhere, that there are some injuries. Okay, some cut marks are also called injuries. Pennies, P-E-N, pen, N-I-E-S, nies, pennies. Pennies means we know that currencies. Okay, pesas is called pennies. Solos, two syllables. See, in teeth and crows we have found out only one syllable, but in rest of the words we are finding out two syllables, two or three syllables. Solos, a so different syllable is los. Solos comes from solo. Solo means a performance which is supposed to be done only by one person, that is called solo. Okay, that means single. Pianos, P-A nose, P-A-nose, three syllables. Okay, P-I-P-A-A and then nose, N-O-S, nose. Pianos, pianos means it's a kind of musical instrument we all know. Okay, it's looking like harmonium. Banjos, B-A-N, ban, Ch-O-S, chos. Banjos is also a kind of musical instrument, stringed musical instrument. In this musical instrument you can find out string. B-A-N, ban, Ch-O-S, chos. Banjos. Okay. Witches, W-I-T-C-H, witch. Here T is silent and S-E-S, witches. Witches means plural form of witch is called witches. Witches means a woman who has magical power and who is supposed to be very evil, very bad for all of us. That is called witches. Glasses, glasses, G-L-A, gla, double S-E-S, glasses. We all know that glasses means where we put water, that is called glasses. Or also there is a transparent object, that is also called glasses. Okay students, then the next one, wishes, W-I-S-H, wish. Then another syllable, S, wishes. Wishes means our desires. Here S-H is pronounced as sh, not sa. Wish, not wish. We should, this, the sound is here like sh, wish. Okay. Hoops, H-O-O-F-S, hoops. Hoops we can find out under the animal's feet. Hoops, it helps them to, they do not wear shoes, so hoops help their feet to uh, helps their feet to be safe from outside injuries. Okay. Then cliffs, C-L-I-F-F-S. Cliffs means it's a kind of rock, okay, overhanging part of rock. Especially we can see such kind of overhanging part of rock at the edge of sea. Gulfs. Gulfs is a water body, small water body. G-U-L-F-S, gulfs. Wives. W-I-V-E-S, okay. We know husband, wife, okay. Like if a person marries a woman, that woman is called the wife of that person. So plural form of wife is called wives. Then leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Leaves is the plural form of leaf. Leaf means we know that trees have leaves, okay. So that its plural form is called leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves is also used as verb form, like to go from somewhere, that is also called leaves. Or holidays, holidays are also called leaves, we know. Halves, H-A-L-F, half, and its plural form is called halves. And when half is turned into plural, F is turned into V. You know that in singular plural, you have already read this in your English language class. Halves, H-A-L-V-E-S. V is halves. So here L is silent, okay, and half means which is not complete part, half part. Monkeys, okay. M-O-N, monk, K-E-Y-S, keys. Monkeys together makes monkeys. Monkeys, it's a kind of animal. Chimneys, chimneys is a thing from which smoke can get out, that is called chimneys, C-H-I-M, chim. And then knees, N-E-Y-S, knees, okay, chimneys. Then valleys, V-A-L, val, lease, L-E-Y-S, lease. Valleys, it's a kind of lower part between hill and mountain, that is called valleys, okay. So students, you have to read all this spelling with correct pronunciation at home. Now we will do the page number 28 in our next video. Thank you students.